Boss! Boss, sino ba naka-ano dito? Ba't di marunong mag-shot clock?
Ayos ka ba?
Red quarter.
Next game ba?
Red quarter.
Wala na sa pagkado.
Pasok na first 3, blue team and 3 team. Pasok na first 3, mga pare ko. Maganda yung laban ata ito. Ay, lilit!
Shoutout mo muna si Chong.
2-2 lang pinamalaki.
Ha? Kasi magdadasal. Magdadasal daw, Kim.
Magdadasal daw!
Game!
Nabihan mo daw.
Game, let's! Young boy number 30, number 2. Number 3 with the rebound. Number 3, Rado ka pa sa binigay ka number 30. Number 30. Number 30, let's go! 2. 2 points by number 13. Number 25. Number 25. Number 25, defending. Number 2. 25 for 3, shoot! Number 2, pass to number 3. Number 3, number 3, number 3, attacking, spinning, go! Pushing foul by number 13. First personal foul, first team foul.
Oh, go, pre.
Ganda natin mo! Number 30.
Walang asukal yan.
Number 30. Number 30. Number 30 again. No. Remove number 2. Number 2 attacking. Who's foul rep? Black foul number 25. Woo! First personal foul. Second team foul. Number 2 to number 3. Number 3. Number 3. Number 3 taking the defense. Number 13. Pass to number. Pass to RT. Tira mo. Balik. Number 3. Pass to number 30. Number 30. Number 30. Pass to number 25. Pass to number 23. 10 seconds to shoot. Number 23 attacking. No. Blue ball.
6 minutes, 30 seconds.
Yeah. Number 2. Number 2 attacking. Go. Dribble by number 23. Number 23 pass to number 25. Number 25 for 3. No. Dribble by number 30. Number 30 pass to number 3. Number 3 spinning move. Number 2 pass to number 13. 10 seconds to shoot. Number 13. Go. Number 30, step back 3.
Ang gulo ka agad dun.
Pagbulang hatol, yung titigil, mga players. Number 2 to number 30. Number 30, attacking. Number 30. Number 30 is good. Number 23. Number 23, dribbling the ball. Number 23, pass to number 25. Number 25, taking. Number 25, step back, jump for a goal. Dribble by number 30, no! Dribble by number 3. Number 3 for 3, no! Dribble by number 13. Number 13, good number 30. Number 30. Number 30, looking for a pass. Number 23. Number 23, spinning good. Number 23, Bobby Woods. Dribble by number 30, goal! Dribble by number 3. Hindi naman itong blue team, ay racing. Number 30. Number 30 for 2. No! Number 30 na go. Number 30, pass to number 3. Good! 2 points. Number 28, pass to number 25.
First quarter.
Number 25. Number 25. Number 25, pass. Taking the difference of number 2. Number 25. Go! Number 25. Number 3. Pass to number 13. Number 13. Number 13. Touch jumper. No. Rebound to number 3. Number 3 spinning shot. It's good. Yumuyo ko.
Number 30.
Hey, pass to number 25. Number 25. Number 25. Number 25 point 3. No. Rebound to number 25.
Balik!
Number 12, long three, no. Remember number 25. Number 25. Number 25. 25. No again. Remember number 25 again. Blue ball. Substitution. Pasok at papasok na pasang lalabas. Time out. Blue ball. Woo! What an intense game, ha? Ano masasabi mo sa game natin ngayon, Kel?
Bata ko.
Yun, ano masasabi mo sa intense game na pinapakita ng blue team ng 3P?
Ganda nilaro mo doon, putang ina ka.
Walang gusto mong panaglan. Walang gusto mong panalo. Yeah! Back to the ball game!
Nakadami na!
Inom eh.
Number 2, pass to number 2. Number 2, pass to number 2. Number 2, nakapika, number 3. Number 3, pass to number 25 again. Number 25, pass to number 32. Number 25 to number 25 again. Number 25, number 25, step back, jumper, no. Remember number 30, go!
Tumigil naman.
Number 30, 2-4. Number 13. Number 13, attacking, lays up, no. Remember number 25. Number 25, pass to number 13. Number 13, number 13, number 13, attacking, foul. Number 3. First personal foul. Number 3, first team foul.
Ito maganda
2
yung
shots.
ganap na referee.
Kaagana.
Oo, pre.
First free throw is good by number
Ang
13.
banting eh, no, Kim? Ang banting.
Ano kung service niya?
Sab, sab. Pasok na, pare.
Pasok, pasok. Number 13 again is good.
Meron pa, next kami dyan. Talo na kami, wala tayong magagawa.
Number 2, take shot. Yay! Drop by number 25.
13, pare, 13, 13. 13,
13 seconds shot clock. Number 2. Number 2 taking the shot. Number 2. No, number 13. Number 2 again with the rebound. Number 2 again. Pass to number 3. No, rebound to number 13. Number 13 again. Go! Arela. Rainbow.
15, pare, 15, 15.
15 seconds shot clock remaining. Number 21. Number 21. Number 21. Dropping the ball. Number 21. Pass to number 30. Number 30. Pass to number 21. Number 21. Go!
Kaya mo ko ipiyok eh.
Hindi binata.
Number 13. Number 13. Blue ball.
11, 11, 11,
11 seconds to shoot. Number 13. Number 13. Wala. Rebound by number blue ball.
Galing, putang ina, ang temte, pare. Gustong gusto ko yung ganyan eh. Galing.
Number 2. Pass to number 3.
Oy!
Number 3. Number 31. Number 31. Number 35. Number 35. Shooting bed. Number 31. Pass to number 30. Number 30. Number 30.
Lima.
5 seconds to shoot. 35. Wala. Number 30.
Go!
Number 30. Number 30. Number 30. Number 30. Ang atong rep. Offensive foul! First personal foul, second team foul. Timeout.
Sino timeout?
Gray.
Timeout, Gray team. Wala na kayong timeout, Gray team. Sa first quarter. Yung blue team, meron pa isang timeout yung blue team.
Nice rep!
Blue. Blue.
Ay, ang ganda laban ah. Maglalaro. Lumabas ang lumabas.
Uy, Papa Bean, meron ako dyan. Papa Bean. Gray ball, gray ball.
Gray ball. Number 21, attacking with the inside. No. Number 20, pass to number 3. Number 3, pass to number 13 again.
Gis.
10 seconds to shoot. Number 2, the jumper. Go. Number 20, pass to number 22. Number 22, pass to number 21, the jumper. Go. Go.
1 minute.
10-40. Favorite blue team. 1 minute remaining in the first quarter. Number 13 for 2. Go. 3 points. Blue. Number 22, pass to number 21. Number 21, pass to number 13. Pass to number 13. Number 13, attacking move. Rebound to number 21. At wala pa din. Rebound to number 22. Wala pa din. Rebound to number 2. Number 2, pass to number 13. Traveling. Number 21. Number 11, pass to number 13. Number 21, pass again to number 21. Number 21, attacking the paint. Good. Oy! Blue pa ba number 13 ng blue. Number 13, pass to number 2. Taking the shot. Number 2. Number 3 for 3. Number 30, pass to number 22. Number 22, pass to number 21. Attacking with the paint. Let's go. Score 20 points.